Earlier, alien attacks were a dilemma in my finch's terrace aviary for innocent sparrows. After those dreadful days and nights, now there is calm and peace. I have shared in my previous videos that I have managed to fix full front steel net to keep the mice away. So now birds are happy as they are secured now. After 10 to 11 days, a snow-white finch laid 4 eggs. Initially, the female finch started to incubate the eggs, but later on, male bird also assisted her in incubating day and night. I had earlier guessed that chicks would come out between 7 and the 9th of September. I was out of my place for 2 days and had left my place after putting enough feed and fresh clean water. Today morning, I took my mobile, and with the help of torchlight, I noticed 2 chicks waving their heads in the air due to the sharp light of the torch. Chicks are tiny and tender but appear healthy and active. 2 eggs waiting for chicks to come out. Hopefully, they would hatch out between 9 to the 11th of September provided if some adverse is not happened. Due to mice attack, only 9 sparrows were left, and 11 to 12 finches, including grown flying chicks, were killed and eaten by the mice. So now it is bright hope the 4 chicks would be added in queue. 1 black finch is incubating a single egg. Let's see its fate. Thanks for watching this video.